what do you have? Do you have some candy? Is that Daddy behind you?
I've got the pot of candy.
And who's not here for your first Halloween? That's right, it's Mommy.
Mommy deserted you.
What do you got? Hey, can you look at Auntie for a moment? No? Okay.
Very busy smashing the candy.